Hello, my name is William Andres Cabrera Castro, the group of 123 of the Foreign Language Acquisition and Learning subject. In this case, I will talk about the scheme that I have to do with all the information that we can find on the UNAT platform, and also information that we can find in the syllabus. So in this case, first of all, I will talk about the number of units that we have in this subject. We have two units. The first one is the foreign language acquisition from the theory to the practice, and the unit number two is the learning trends in foreign language. In this case, the subject is divided in five phases. For example, the first one is the recognition activity, the second one is the participant observation practice, the third one is the also participant observation practice, the fourth one is the participant observation practice, and the last one, the phase number five, is the final activity. In this case, or in this subject, we have different particularities. For example, the role of the teacher, the role of the student, the evaluation, and the concept. Also, we have some characteristics because this subject is related to a part that we have to do in the practice, and also we have to do in the homework that we have during this semester. In this case, it's this subject or this course is a methodological course. In this case, divided in theoretical and practical. The practical part component the bachelor degree in foreign language with an emphasis in English. Also, is characterized by the close relationship with the problems recorded in the disciplinary file. We have other like subject that we can find in the course. For example, the chapter of the agreement regulation of pedagogical practices that is divided in some some items. For example, the first one is the chapter number one is a definition and proposed. The chapter number two is generalist, and definition is divided in five items. Also, we have the chapter number three is related to the curriculum aspects of the training route of the pedagogical and education practice. In this case, is divided in six items. Also, we have the chapter number four, that is principle of action of the teacher in training in the educational pedagogical part is divided in one item. Also, we have different learning outcomes. We have five. In this case, the first one is the review the characteristics of the course and the particularities of the pedagogical and educational practice process. The learning outcome number two is the examine the factors that influence the process of the foreign language acquisition and learning methodologically and in a detail within the pedagogical scenario. Also, we have different bachelor at the university. We have um, for example, bachelor degree in foreign language, that is the program that we have that I'm studying. We have bachelor on mathematics, bachelor of education, bachelor on psychology, bachelor's degree in children pedagogy, and bachelor of foreign language with an emphasis in English. In this case, the bachelor of the foreign languages with an emphasis in English, we have to get approved 40 credits. We have like three periods. The first one is the UNADISTA Chair Introduction to the Degree in Foreign Language with an emphasis in English. The period number two is Tool Digital Epistemology and History of the Pedagogy, Social Service, and Mathematical Logical. And the period number 3 is Moderathon, Introduction to Linguistic, Didactics, Fundamentals, and Generalities of the Research. Also, we have in this subject like a simulator is an academic tool that we have or that allows undergraduate students to propose and carry out simulated pedagogical and didactic practices. It's mandatory also to approve this subject and is an integral part of the rubric evaluation and also constitutes a digital learning resource. We have some principle of action. We have in this case five. The first one is the integrality of the teaching pedagogical practice, dialogue between education actors, promotion of the protective environment for boys, girls, and teenagers, respect for differences, and excellent service. So this is all the information that we can find and we can do in this case. And thank you so much.